Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today I am making Yukihira's famous recipe, egg souffle, from one of my favorite animes, Food Wars. If this video interests you, keep on watching to see how I did. Yukihira making the actual tomato sauce wasn't shown, so I decided to make it myself. So you just need to mince garlic and chop up 2 tomatoes. Add olive oil to a saucepan and let it heat for a bit, and then you add your garlic, cook it for 30 seconds or until fragrant, and then that's when you're going to add your chopped up tomatoes. Mix them around for a bit and then season with salt, and then add about 2 tablespoons of red wine. Mix everything together and on a low heat leave it to simmer until the liquid reduces down. You'll be able to tell when it's done when it's a much thicker consistency. By the way, I am not a chef. This is all just really for fun and just something to get me through quarantine. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow me on my socials. I post videos every Friday, but that's enough from me now. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
よし卵白泡立て卵黄に生クリーム塩コショウで調味確認よし何
Okay, so this wasn't supposed to happen at all. I have no idea what went wrong, so I'm just trying to fix it. Stand by.
A few moments later. 盛り付け特製トマトソースとパセリお待ちだ
So this is the final result. This was a lot harder to make than I thought, but it was fluffy. It tasted nice, tasted really good, really je ne sais quoi. My sister even liked it, which was a surprise. However, YouTube recommended this video to me of someone else making the egg souffle, and his looked like this, and mine looked like this.
Oh my god, even though oh my god.
I'm so angry. They look terrible. I've never been so disappointed. I thought I did a great job. I thought I did a great job on this. You know what? I'm done. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back next week with a new video. Okay, bye.